Let's learn our letters, come sing with me. A to J is fun, you'll see. A is for apple, shiny and sweet. Juicy red apples are fun to eat. B is for ball, bounce up high, bouncing and rolling up to the sky. C is for cat, soft and small, playful kittens having a ball. D is for dog, running so fast, wagging its tail as it runs past. E is for elephant, big and tall, splashing water for one and all. F is for fish, swimming around, splish, splash, splish, in water they're found. G is for giraffe, tall you see, reaching the leaves up in the tree. H is for horse, gallop away, running and jumping all through the day. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, come sing the letters every day.